guys, we're going to be making a
lava lamp! And for this experiment, you're going to need food coloring, a clear bottle, oil, funnel, Alka-Seltzer, and water.
Now we're going to start the experiment. So first we're going to open up the bottle and put the funnel in here and start pouring water into 1/4 of the bottle. Here, like.
Yeah.
No, we're going to put it in slowly though.
A little bit more.
It's kind of a lot. Just need to put a tiny little bit in.
That's it.
That's not.
Okay, that's
not.
that's perfect.
So and now we're gonna put more oil. We're gonna put oil to the rest of the bottle. Fill the rest of the bottle up with oil.
But slowly.
Yeah, but slowly.
Look at it.
Look at it.
The water's still laying down.
Yeah, it's actually creating like layers.
Yeah, that's density.
Yeah, guys, if I didn't tell you the water had more density than the oil, would you have thought that the oil had more density than the water? Well, I would have thought that the oil had more density than the water. So let's keep pouring.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, that was right there. Okay, that's enough.
Guys, we put too much oil, so we're gonna spill it out.
So,
And I have to do
it
it fast. The water doesn't get
Yeah, that should be enough.
Now we're gonna put a food up to food coloring.
Put like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
that's not a few.
and then now
We're just gonna let it sit for a little bit, and if it doesn't like mix in, we're probably gonna have to shake it a little bit.
oh, it's all laying down. And look at the oil
There's
and the
oil.
water.
Oh, I see, it's mixing in.
Look at the oil and the water. The oil is on top, and the water's on the bottom. That's density. Okay, now do you think that we can open it up?
I think we need a little bit more.
A swirl. And that. Let's try and open it up.
Now for the big reveal!
Alka-Seltzer!
Giggles, you wanna do it?
Yep.
Please, go.
Do you want to put 2 in?
No, I think that's enough. Oh, look, it's bubbling. Look at it. It's bubbling.
Bubbling right back there.
It's bubbling from the Alka-Seltzer.
Let's see if we can put in 1 more. Let's see.
See what happens when we put one more.
You want to do this one?
Yep.
Oh, now it's really bubbling.
Really bubbling.
Look at it.
Look at it. That's so cool. So cool.
Oh, look at the line of the bubbling. Now it's really bubbling.
It actually looks like a lava lamp. It keeps going up and then coming back down.
Up, down. This is cool.
Very cool. This is so cool.
It actually looks like real lava. And now I can't even see the Alka-Seltzer. This is very, very cool.
Now you have your very own
Lava lamp!
Thanks for watching! Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know whenever we post a new video!